Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks to all of you that have subscribed. Thanks to all of you that are actually commenting. Thanks to all of you that are in my Telegram group and those who are following me on Twitter. Today I want to bring a cryptocurrency before you that seeks to solve certain problems like the issue of blockchain bloat and then scalability and also interoperability. So our platform today we're talking about is ARDOR. So ARDOR, like some of you had known, ARDOR is a cryptocurrency that has been there from 2016, and it was built upon there is a company called Jelurida that is building this ARDOR. So we'll see some of the stuff that ARDOR is based upon. Now, one of the things that you have to know is with blockchain, there is this digital signature of transactions. And not only is there a digital signature, there is this thing after these transactions are being signed. There is what is called hashing. So we take these transactions that has been signed and then we put them together we assign a hash to it. And then there is this replication, that is, you copy these stuffs and then you distribute them all over the place. So that means if someone wants to join the node, the person have to download the entire blockchain. And that problem is what we call the blockchain bloat. So what ARDOR is seeking to do is ARDOR is saying, okay, why not we create something that we call the parent-child relationship. So ARDOR has a technological design that is called the parent-child architectural design. So what that means is that we could create parent chains, then we could create child chains. Now, what would the parent chain do? The parent chain is basically the father itself, the parent that is responsible for issues like consensus. And then with that parent chain, we could create a customizable blockchain for our needs. And these customizable blockchains, we rely upon the parent chain for consensus. And these child chains can do and transact with their own tokens. They can be used for different applications. They can be used for things like asset exchange, whatever that is actually possible with these child chains can be done with it. Now, one of the things you have to know with the child chains, transactions can be pruned. Yeah, transactions can be pruned, and we can remove them from the blockchain. When we remove them from them, we only keep a kind of cryptographic proof that such and such transaction happened at such and such time. So what that means is that if a new node is joining the ARDOR network, because transactions are pruned and then they are removed from the network, all we have is a cryptographic proof. If you are entering the new node, if you are entering the ARDOR blockchain today, all that is required for you is that you will just download the last 24 hours. You have to download the size of the blockchain for the last 24 hours, and that makes it very, very good. The another thing about the ARDOR platform is that they've through the ARDOR gates, they've created a pegged coin, which is called the euro. So the pegged coin, the pegged coin will enable people, to transact with the ARDOR with their normal fiat currency. And all that is required, there are certain procedures that is required to actually convert the euro to ARDOR, and this currency is actually stable. The another thing again about the ARDOR platform is that the ARDOR, they've actually entered into a relationship with a platform called the A-Trust. Let me show you. So the partnership with A-Trust is a kind of group that helps with issues of data verification and all that. You can check their website if you know about Austria. It's based in Austria. And then another thing again about this platform that makes it very unique is it's versatile. It's built in such a way that with side chains, it makes it versatile. It's scalable, and then it's interoperable. So that means that the side chains can interact with one another. Not only can they interact with one another, it's not required for a sidechain to have their own, it's not a must that the sidechain must use the ARDOR platform. They can decide to create their own coin and all that. And one of the first side chain that is in the ARDOR platform is the IGNIS platform. So that is just ARDOR in a nutshell. So what can ARDOR be used for? ARDOR can be used to do anything from asset exchange to voting, marketplace, and all that. ARDOR can be used for all these purposes. And it uses a proof of stake algorithm. So guys, thank you for watching, and do have a very good day.